This is the 24 pack of the Land O'Lakes Mini Mousse. This is half and half creamer. These are each individually wrapped, so you have 24 in the box right here. Basically what we do is we keep these in our house, so if we have guests over who use like cream and sugar or cream and Splenda, we could use these. They have a really long shelf life on here. You can see the shelf life is just on the side right here. Always lasts a pretty long time, and these are just easy because you don't have to like get a teaspoon out and measure it out or anything. You know exactly what you're doing in each one of these. The servings information is right here. 10 calories per serving, no carbs. So you're following a low carb lifestyle. This is definitely something you could add into your coffee or tea, and it just has a really great taste to it. So basically what we do is we just open the box and we just use this container right here and just store them up in here. So just put this in our coffee station right here, so you just see this is what it looks like. So like I said, you just take them. If you want 2, 3, whatever, it's just easier to use these when you're making your coffee or your guests are making coffee, and it looks nice by the coffee station. So again, if you're looking for some new half and half or creamer, you definitely want to check it out. It's Land O'Lakes Mini Mousse half and half 24 pack.